Hey everyone, so tonight I'm making air crisped chicken in my Ninja Foodi Deluxe, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. So the first thing I do is I have chicken legs, and I've already salt and peppered these. I have 2 plates so they all fit, and so they're salt and peppered evenly, and so now I'm gonna coat them with flour, and then I dip them in my egg wash, which is just eggs whisked. So I coat them with flour, dip them in egg, and actually while I do this, I usually warm up my Ninja, so I'm gonna do that too. And then I have Italian breadcrumbs that I coat them in, just like this. And then that's it. So I'm gonna warm that up. Here, Chris. I'm just gonna warm it up while I do this. There's that. Okay. We're done. They're breaded and ready to go in the Ninja. It only warmed up for about, I think it took me about 5 to 7 minutes to do that. I was working really fast. So this is ready. What I'm gonna do is, as I put the chicken in, I'm going to brush just the top with olive oil. So I'm gonna put a couple in for the bottom if you wanna come up and take a look at this. I'm just placing it in. I'm using the crisping basket in here, and I'm just placing them in, and then I'll coat them with oil, and then I'll put another layer in, coat that with oil, and as it cooks, I'll show you what I do. So first, we're doing this. I think I can fit one more in here. Okay, here we go. And this is just my olive oil, and I brush really lightly because I don't want to take this breading off. So I just kind of pat it on the top because I want it to be golden brown is what I'm doing here. But I don't want to brush off the breading. And I'm kind of working fast, like I said. I'm a really fast cook, which is why I have 4 kids and we are on the go all the time. So I cook really fast, which is why I love the Ninja. It is amazing, it's fast, it cooks really, really well, and I love it. And this meal is a fave. Okay, so I'm doing the coat of olive oil on the last round. There's like 2 layers because I did 10 legs. And so I'm gonna quickly brush this on, and then I'm gonna show you what I do with the Ninja. Okay, so here we go. That is done. So now I'm going to change the setting on this because I was just letting it warm up, so I just turned on the air crisp and let it get hot. So now I'm gonna change it. We're still on air crisp, but now I want the time. The temperature I still want at 390. If I didn't, then I would put the temperature, I'd push the temperature button and I would change the temperature wherever I want it. I want this at 390. Now I'm gonna hit time, and I'm gonna do this for 25 minutes. Like I said, I love this thing. It's so fast and the food is always so good. Here we go. 25 minutes. Done. Now, as this cooks, I'm gonna take my tongs and just flip the chicken over every once in a while to make sure that it's browning evenly, and changing it out so what's on the bottom goes to the top, and just mix it around. That way it's all evenly cooked and beautiful. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay everyone, it's done. I'm gonna show you in all of its glory how awesome this is. Here we go. All right. Now I wanna say, I am a single mom, a single working mom, homeschooling mom of 4 kids, under 15, and it's meals like this that help me to keep everything going. I have a system that I do, and one of them is this. It's the Ninja Foodi Deluxe, and recipes like this are how I keep it all together, keep it moving. Here we go. Check it out. This guy got a little rough with him and pulled off some of the breading by accident. Sometimes it happens, but usually not. So here we go. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me and making air crisp chicken with me. I'll see you in the next one.